Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sikumले आज drive गर्दैछौँ. हामी चाहिँ we're going Aldershot to buy bits and pieces.
A-Town, shout out to A-Town.
Oh, what is this, son? So we're going to buy daura silver for Sikum because उसको मेरो दिदीको wedding हुँदैछ end of this month अनि उसको लागि चाहिँ कपडा किन्न we're going Aldershot. And yeah, it's 11 at the moment, bihanako. And it's gonna take us
1 hour 20 minutes.
1 hour 20 minutes. And yeah, we're gonna meet up with my Sultani and Kamal koni usko daura silver or what suit, whatever. Kamala, his nickname is. And Kamala la bhetera, Kamala and Sharon la bhetera, we're gonna buy halka shopping गर्ने. हाम्रो त उसहरु भइसक्यो हाम्रो त कपडाहरु सबै भइसक्यो अनि just these यसको र कमलाको छ अझै किन्न अनि त्यसपछि त्यो खाइसक्यो जाने we gonna probably go नेपाली खाना अस्ति भर्खरै खाएको है हाम्रो आश्रममा
हेरौँ न your Sultani said go to New Malden.
Oh, my Sultani said she wants to go Korean, New Malden. Yeah, Korean nahako धेरै भयो. So I'm excited. I don't know, it's like last minute plan gareko. Ani yeah. Keep on watching. I had it yesterday. That was a takeaway I had. Okay.
It's the Korean.
That doesn't count as Korean. Bibimbap थियो, takeaway लिएर आएको थियो. अनि अलिकति खाएको like एउटा चम्चा खाने बित्तिकै I was like I miss Korean food भएको. So yeah. Do I look okay? Is my hair okay? Oh, but your hair, and look how nice it is. Later it's gonna be Kole mala bhutale asti. Because mero naturally mero uso frizzy curly so curly भन्दा नि it's wavy अनि पानी पर्यो र हावा भयो भने यो भुजुरै हुन्छ के.
ए हो र बाबु.
Like straight गरेको नि हेर न कति घण्टा र आधी घण्टामा यस्तो भइसक्यो. As you can see. Oh, this sun is like आज है अचानक है like it was raining कति हप्ता है and then it's sunny अहिले चाहिँ हामी जहिले बाहिर जाने बेला चाहिँ sunny हुन्छ के. Alright, catch you in a bit. Bye. Can you see my double chin? So हामी जाँदैछौँ Aldershot Bazaar. A-Town and this is the driver here. I paid Uber, right? It was very expensive.
Such a lie, she doesn't pay me shit.
Look at the car, alright. It should have been Tesla, but okay.
There's the legend into it.
Oh, there's Tesla, we're gonna...
There's the legend.
Oh wow, oh my god guys, you should get this car. It's so, oh my god, fast.
Yeah.
Alright, too much nataki. Bye! This is the view, this is the view. Oh wait. Hi there!
Oh, you're gonna crack my mirror, bro.
No, I'm not. So, हामी पुग्न आँट्यो.
We're at Farmer Gate now.
Yeah. And
Only holding here. Okay.
there's Mandalay.
It makes you so busy.
So the Mandalay if you're watching.
Hospital.
अस्पताल में जा रहे हैं हम यहाँ पार्किंग करने आ रहे हैं और
Look at
hey, spot my Sultani Sharon, please. Let me zoom in.
minute.
Yeah, they're getting their car fixed because Sharon को headlights अलि के भन्छ fuse बिग्रेको. So Hi Sultani, hi Kamala. मेरो कपाल हेर already like फुर्र भइसक्यो. एकछिन त्यो 5 मिनेट निस्केको.
She's a boxer.
I ain't a boxer, you're a boxer.
Mate, you're a kitchkonde.
You're a putana.
Don't know what that means. Why are you so weird, man?
You're a putana, and what's your reply?
You're fucking weird.
I'm gonna go home now. I'm going home.
It's sharp ale.
Kamala
Saple.
and Sharon. It's my saltini.
Why do I look so black?
Yeah, हाम्रो master नीले यहाँ लेख्दैछ.
One pork jar.
Oh what?
Pork zero. Yes.
Here's a menu.
You need that.
Sickle nose.
Wow.
Bukla
Sickle
yeah,
nose.
Yeah, man. I'm hungry. She doesn't feed me at home.
Me. Please, writing लेखा था अलिकति please. Sweet lassi लेखा न ल.
No, we're not ordering. We're ordering Coke. No, Coke zero.
ल Coke लेखम त.
Can of Coke. Can Coke लेदिन्छु.
अब कमलाको handwriting हेर.
It's better than mine.
Wow, lefty as well.
Can Coke तर के Coke? Diet Coke.
म लेख्छु अब, म लेख्छु.
Write something.
तल लिएर जा त.
तिम्रो camera लगेर hi guys for my vlog.
तेरो टाउको.
पर्दैन.
Diet Coke कति?
Times one.
Times 1. अनि?
That's it.
Mango lassi.
चारवटा
4. Look at my shitty handwriting. Okay.
Oh, you need water.
Hey, I need water, yeah.
अनि लेखम न.
तिमीले लेख अब. तिमीले लेखेको छैन. Please, कोही डक्टरको handwriting गरेर त.
ल म गए.
That's nice.
ल भाइ.
यति हो नि है?
Yes. It's not even that. Hi guys, my name is Komal Limbu. I was born and raised in Nepal. Not raised, but
Were you
know.
born there?
I was born in Nepal, Kathmandu, K-Town. I came here when I was 9 years old, so you know I'm quite white, but my skin's kind of black.
You came UK late.
You look like Ching Chong.
Oh, it says the Ching Chong, bruv.
Bye.
And then there's Sikkim,
तिमी चाहिँ कहिले आएको
the main guy,
I was like 0, 1.
0.
the
A
Dabong.
couple months.
Couple of months.
Hey, hello, I like it. You know Bikesh, right? Bikesh. Bike भन्ने लम्बु. Yeah, because of him के उसको मामा की माइजू गरेको यो.
Exactly.
आलु दम जस्तै बिग्यो नि.
It's got a weird texture.
That's the best one I've had.
Subi's trying to vlog and eat all of them. Nothing.
No, I was excited when I saw the chocolate. I really don't want any.
ए किन गरेन नि मैले भन पनि नि I know like signsहरु धेरै भयो म नगरेको त यहाँ चटनी खान्छस्
No.
Right now.
How was the laughing?
It wasn't very funny.
He's crying.
It wasn't very funny.
Laughing. Laughing. I was laughing.
I really want to go.
I didn't laugh.
दामी है?
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice.
Mango lassi को अब
Oh, were you wearing a shorts, baby?
try गर त है कति छ मिठो छ
Yes, I will.
Go on then.
Oh, हामीले यो पनि किन्ने
यो त निकाल्नु
भयो
मलाई.
के
This is don't. And
यो दार सुवा भनेको
दरअसल अब आयो बाको द वेस्ट को हेयर के नेपालमा.
ड्युट पनि खा
And then I want to wear the new with Chandra.
Yeah.
But then her parents are making me wear the.
So good.
Yeah. I got that silver.
It's still keto.
Wow.
I love it.
यो त म्युटमा है ल ल किन रुगो
सुरु भयो क्या
खाऊ के खाऊ अर्को सरले नि खाऊ के खाऊ अर्को नि यहाँ बिग बस
डबल चिन होइन फेरि अहिले माथि
तपाईँ सुन्छ नि खुसी खाऊ के खाऊ Why are you crying? मिठो
खानु चाहिँ एउटा
Yummy. You're disgusting. Who is that? Comment down below. Was that? What was that?
The quiz just says A, B, C, D.
Was that Sharon, my salt in your Kamala, or Sicko? Comment down below.
Fuck you, that's
Or was it me? You never know.
Thank you.
you.
Ooh, aloo paratha. I want to keep this.
I love the paratha.
Yummy. Thank you.
Ska med till. Thank you.
Me too, sorry.
No, I love it.
Kamala, how was it?
It's lovely.
Good? Hello, it's Sharon.
Bit would not do, guys. What's your kind of person?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, comment down below which restaurant this is.
Wee.
Why is it still hot here?
Are you alright, Kamala?
The whole time हामी laugh अरे गाना चोलोमा हो गाना चोलोमा कमेन्ट डाउन बिलो what restaurant is this?
Hey.
कोही कोहीले skip गर्न नि के खाँदा है
Yeah,
cute.
Rejection.
No, if I had the body, I don't mind. Oh, Dorasura.
Shall I wear this?
It's all there, mate.
You get this. You cute, Zola. Muy कति cute. यो क्यारी गर्नु न देखाउनु यो ओ झोला रहेछ
What are you talking about?
कस्तो प्रिटी है
Oh, that mala जस्तो.
Oh, nice.
He died.
The satellite.
Put it back.
Can you put it back? I've got no hands.
That's the satellite.
Never mind. I'll put it back. अनि यस्तो चोलो
This is the stuff you have to wear on your.
गुरुङको माथिमा लाउने
That's from Gideon.
पाउँदो रहेछ
Wait.
Oh, yes.
Shit, it's only me. It was zoomed in, you couldn't see it.
Stop lying.
No, I mean, you doing that. Get it.
Can't use it.
Very good.
Come on, come on. Woo! Wait, come on, this one. So far, Subi's got 35, Paul's got 44, Subi's got 21, and me, I've only got 22 because I'm so shit. I'm shit. So these are the people we're hanging out with today. Mental guys. Now come and take out it.
I don't know, man. I think that's a kick.
You're not strong enough, baby.
You can't help her! Come on!
I'm helping you both.
No, you can't! Just let... हामी चाहिँ भ्यूमा हो gonna go see कुन मुभी थाहा छैन थाहा तँलाई कुन मुभी हो नि हामी So the boys are getting some food and that fatty is already having his अर्को fatty चाहिँ यहाँ candy कुन candy हो भन्दै यहाँ हेर्दैछ Kamal, can you come here? Can you come here? Can you? Do you guys like my ring money? It's the fuck here. So we're watching. I don't even know. Oh, the thriller movie. This ticket already got to go online, and then we're just waiting for the food and yeah. What movie are we watching?
छिटो ट्राई गर
कुन मुभी हेर्न आँटेको हामी
Screen 9 मा
छिटो हाल्न
के हो वाउ मेरो ब्याट्री सकिन आँट्यो के ल बाई भन्न से बाई